Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. So this morning, I rolled out a little bit early, went by the local rock quarry, and picked up about 3 1/4 tons of screenings. Y'all, I like using screenings. I'm wanting to go in front of this log deck I've got going on here for the wood splitter and go ahead and get down just a little bit of stone since it's dry enough to do it today. I'm gonna take the box blade and just scratch off a little bit of topsoil, there's not much there, and put this 3 1/4 tons out and kind of track it in a little bit, pack it down. That way Lisa and I will have a nice solid work surface free of mud to be able to split wood. And no, this won't do the entire area that I'm wanting to do here, but it's going to be a start, something that we can go ahead and be working in now while I'm getting the rest of it done, graded, stumps pulled out, stone base put down, all that good stuff. Guys, thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that like for us and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. And y'all, if you have, we do appreciate you. Y'all, we're trying to get to 500 subscribers, and we are over 400 this morning. And so we're really tickled with that, y'all. We appreciate everybody that has signed up to watch our goofy stuff here at the Piney Woods Homestead. And y'all, it's not all goofy, it's good stuff. We've been living this way for the most part all of our lives. And so we feel like we got something to offer, and by you subscribing, hopefully that's saying that you feel like we do too. But we're going to try to get to 500, and we're hoping you'll help us get there, and we're thinking about doing a little giveaway. Tell us what you think about that. Something from the Piney Woods to a few of y'all out there that have subscribed and are commenting for us and hitting that like. Tell us what you think about a little something free. And y'all, we're not a big channel. We don't have deep pockets. So it might be something like watermelon seeds or something to go in the garden. So let us know in the comments what you think about something like that. And we'll see about doing a little something when we hit that 500 mark, y'all. All right, guys, let's hop on the Kubota, get a little bit of dirt moved, and get this stone put out. All right, y'all, it's not too shabby. I've got about 3 to 4 inches of the screenings down in here. And y'all, from my experience using these things, when you track them in and then when it rains on them, they'll set up like concrete. And there wasn't much topsoil to take out of here, because what was here I've already taken out in the past from moving dirt around. So I just scraped it down where it was fairly level, where the water would shed off, and then worked in this really tight area to get all these screenings down. But y'all, I'm not going to get muddy now working on firewood right here until I get the rest of all this done. And I'm estimating probably between 15 and 18 more tons of these screenings to come in here once I get all the dirt work done to get the firewood area that we're going to be working in set up. That's not going to include the other side where I'm planning to build an equipment shed. Yeah, this one works out okay for the tractor and all, but I need more room, y'all. I need to be able to put my implements under to dry, things like that. And plus we want to stack lumber. So probably 15 to 18 more tons here. And then another probably 24 to 30 tons, something like that, to finish it off. And y'all, this stuff, it isn't as cheap as it used to be. 20 years ago when I was hauling gravel, stone, I was paying about, golly, probably $12 a ton for these screenings, and now they're 27 in my neck of the woods. But guys, I hope you enjoyed just a little bit of tractor work, spreading a little bit of gravel. Thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods Homestead. Y'all, we enjoy living this way, and we hope we're an inspiration to you to live this way too. Hit the thumbs up for us and subscribe if you hadn't. And think about that 500 subscriber giveaway. Throw in your comments if that's something that you'd be interested in if we decide to do that. Guys, y'all have a good day and a great week. We'll see you on the next video.